Do you have some home improvement jobs that need doing? Is your home in need of some TLC or routine maintenance? With our busy lives nowadays, it can be hard to find the time to get those little jobs done, let alone the bigger ones, or to complete the jobs you started and never managed to finish. Whatever work needs doing around your home, a home handyman is the one to call. By using a home handyman with a wide variety of skills and a great deal of experience, you don't need to look for a different specialist for each job. There's no need to coordinate the arrival of a handful of different tradesmen. And there's no need for you to waste your leisure time working on the house. To get your home improvement projects completed quickly and to your complete satisfaction, contact us for a no-obligation quote today.